Alright, good morning. I am trying to give an update. I've been posting videos and somehow they have been not with YouTube cut it out. Stop touching my pages and shit. The fuck? Sitting up here posting and trying to update you guys to let you guys know that the children have not been returned. They have June 5th. I guess a woman was trying to make my case known and posted a video just to update, which I appreciate. Love, thank you. Do it again. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. The judge and the court is watching my video, and they shouldn't be doing that. If there's an interest in my my life like this, the judge needs to remove himself, recuse your ass off my case. But he's not, and they're dead ass seriously talking about my case in court. So on June 5th, I'm in court. And June 5th, 2018, we're in court, and the judge is just like asking the court questions about what's on there, who was she talking to. And this is like my fourth video that I've tried to post. I posted it. Hopefully this goes. If it does, great. But I'm gonna make sure I start paying attention to when I post something and just seeing, because this starts loading and acts like it's done, and then all of a sudden my shit is up here. So I made a song. It's really hot. I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna post it, and I'm gonna send it to a couple of people, and hopefully we just gonna post it. Okay, so one way or the other, the shit's getting posted. So fuck out of here. Anywho, Faith and Hope are still in Oklahoma City with the sexual predator, Walter Newman. I think I'm gonna have to blast his address so y'all can go and check up on my children. Okay, anybody that's in the Oklahoma City area, I'm gonna put the address there so y'all can do a well child check. My daughter was shot into a door when she answered the phone because I called. I called and she just saw the phone was there because they have a Syracuse phone number. So I'm calling, and we had talked 2 other times. So she was excited and picked up the phone and said, hello. And she, little life in her. She sounded sad the first time, and it was just hard to hear the kids. So sad. Like, I can't express how low they talked. They sounded so bad. So bad, y'all. Like, I've seen creepy ass movies where kids talk like that, where they're just barely talking, scared to talk. Their voice changes. It's just scary. I just don't know what the fuck is going on. So I called the authorities. I called CPS. I called the worker here, and I was just trying to explain to them that I need a well child check to make sure my children are safe, because Hope sustained an injury and was screaming. After 3 months of me not speaking to my kids, from May to late August, finally get to speak to my kids. And then when I speak to them the 3rd time in August, my daughter sustains an injury where her face hits the fucking door. And everybody's just talking like I swear to God, I can't make this up. The Walter just like, she hit her head. I'm like, the fucking, holy shit. My baby gets smacked into a door, and you're just like, she hit her head. So I called the authorities and reported it, and that's all I could do. And when I went to the court, the judge, Michael L. Hanuszczak, he's just everything is tee-hee-hee funny and shit. Okay? So his ass is sitting there like, yeah, just send a picture. He's telling the law guardian and Lisa Blitman, Walter's Newman fake attorney, because the record shows that she wants him to pay him. I guess someone is paying her other than Walter. Now, if he has income to pay her, he's not paying her. But anywho, she's doing something as a favor. They're doing a lot of willing and dealing with the finances here. So Walter is getting assistance with counsel. My counsel is not doing anything. Okay, the police are not doing anything. The FBI are not doing shit. So then they wondering why they're getting claims for me and lawsuits, because you motherfuckers ain't working. You have a job to do. The bare minimum is looking to the claim, attempt to do a half-assed investigation. They're like, fuck Rochelle Brooks, fuck Rochelle Coleman, and anything in between that, okay? So they're not doing their jobs, but they're getting paid to do a job, and that's fraud. They should not be allowed to decide when they're going to do their job. It is on the clock. You sign in, you do your fucking job. Period. Point blank. Care how you feel about I don't care how you feel about my cousin. That's me. This is my battle. I'm in the middle of a war. Spiritual, fleshly, And I'm gonna speak how I speak. So what else? Faith and Hope are still in Oklahoma City. I'm going to post everybody's addresses I can find, their names, their jobs, their locations, because my child should have had a well child check. It was not done. I did record the phone calls with the Oklahoma City police, who are very childish, okay? And I've heard about Oklahoma being real racist too, so I think that's why Syracuse and Oklahoma decided to play patty cake on my ass or whatever. So, and then they wanted me to go down to Oklahoma City like I'm stupid. You think I'm gonna go to a whole nother state and get a whole nother fake ass claim on me? No sir, no way. Ain't no hole up in my blood. Okay, but anywho, so now I'm waiting for my children in the case. I haven't heard from my kids, and I didn't want to call because of the injury sustained, you know, Hope sustained. I didn't want to keep calling and they do something else to them and I have to witness that shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna chill out. I got a fit hearing on November 1st at 2 o'clock, 2:30. So I am going to go there and take care of that. Now there's a new judge. Well, it's not, she's not due. She's been on she's tried to trespass against my case before. Her name is Mrs. Doru. Her goofy ass sent me a paper talking about child support. What the fuck are you talking about, child? How could you render child support for a fake case? But anywho, they're trying to do that shit. And now they sent me a claim telling me to come before my first fair hearing. My first hearing, preliminary hearing. So that didn't happen. So then after I made it to that hearing, because they're trying to get me to come into their fake cases so they can arrest my black ass again. It's not going to happen. Okay? I'm trying to find a reason to come with the police. Okay, you come on, wrench around. Okay, I ain't coming. So I was not serviced. I wasn't served. They cannot send me little love letters saying come down and let's talk. No, ain't no fucking talking. My kids are in a whole nother state. Oklahoma hasn't even sent me shit yet. They haven't sent me any fucking thing. Okay, so now they're trying to get me to go to a court before my court hearing date. Come on, y'all. So I'm just letting y'all know the fuckery is real in Syracuse, New York. So I'm getting ready to just make sure I am alive and well before November 1st. Get to this appointment. I have to go to 333 East Washington Street. And the judge is already biased, so I gotta figure out what to do with him because he shouldn't be around nobody. He shouldn't be in the general public. Alright, so we can get this done. Godspeed. Hello, are you for Rochelle Brooks?
Yeah.
Okay.